boosting heart health with Superfood Smoothies.
Superfoods are packed with nutrients that can help support a healthy heart. By blending these ingredients into a smoothie, you can enjoy a delicious and convenient boost each day. In this video, you'll discover 3 simple and nutritious smoothie recipes designed to promote better heart health.
Berry Oats Power Smoothie.
Combine blueberries, strawberries, rolled oats, spinach, and a cup of low-fat milk or a dairy-free alternative. Blueberries and strawberries are rich in antioxidants that support heart health, while oats add fiber to help manage cholesterol. Spinach supplies vitamins and minerals, making this smoothie a heart-smart choice for breakfast or an afternoon snack.
Avocado Green Vitality Smoothie.
Blend avocado, kale, banana, chia seeds, and unsweetened almond milk. Avocado provides healthy fats that may help lower bad cholesterol. Kale is high in potassium and antioxidants, while chia seeds give a boost of omega-3 fatty acids. This creamy green smoothie is both filling and packed with heart-healthy nutrients.
Citrus Flax Refresh Smoothie.
Mix orange segments, pineapple, Greek yogurt, flax seeds, and a splash of water or coconut water. Oranges and pineapple supply vitamin C and fiber, which are good for your heart. Greek yogurt adds protein and probiotics, while flax seeds are a plant-based source of omega-3s, supporting heart function and wellness.
Daily habits for heart-healthy smoothie enjoyment.
For the best results, aim to include a heart-healthy smoothie as part of your daily routine. Use natural, unsweetened ingredients whenever possible, and watch portion sizes to maintain balance. Remember, smoothies are most effective as part of an overall balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and quality sleep.